Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing and reviewing Watch 6 Nano, Oraimo's latest budget fitness tracker. Let's check out the box, see what's inside, and go over its features and performance. Let's get started. Inside the box, you get the Watch 6 Nano nicely wrapped and protected. Additional silicone bracelet. A magnetic charging cable. A quick start guide. Let's power it on. You get a clean boot up animation, and once it's on, you can see the vibrant display and the smooth UI. To get the watch fully set up, you'll need the Oraimo Health app. Just download it from the Play Store or App Store, open it, and create or log into your account. The Watch 6 Nano comes with a 1.52-inch AFT display protected by Panda-Glass, designed to resist scratches and ruptures. It offers up to 20 days of battery life in standby mode, with a 210 mAh max capacity, giving you solid endurance for daily use. The watch is also IP68 rated, making it resistant to water and dust, perfect for workouts and outdoor activities. The band is lightweight, slim, and super comfortable, perfect for workouts or all-day wear. For fitness and health tracking. The Watch 6 Nano has heart rate monitoring, 24/7. Sleep tracking with sleep stages and snore detection, when paired with a phone. SpO₂, blood oxygen, monitoring. Step counter, calories burned, and distance. Supports over 100 workout modes. Did you buy it? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech unboxings and reviews.